Youth and Civil Society Coalition for Development, in collaboration with NITDA and other stakeholders, organizes a two-day development training for youth in the Northwest Zone. National President YCSCD, Comrade Aminu shed light on the purpose of the training.
Thinking of this movement, in order to reciprocate the kind gesture we have received from societies, our communities, while others are engaging themselves as bandits, as kidnappers, as armed robbers, we sat down and think on how are we going to help our societies? What can we offer for the society? So we come up with this initiative.
Director General Information Technology Development Agency NITDA Kashifu Muhammad Inwa spoke to the participants digitally.
The strategy identifies 8 critical pillars, namely developmental regulation, digital literacy and skills, solid infrastructure, service infrastructure, digital services development and promotion, soft infrastructure, digital society and emerging technologies.
Other speakers also emphasized on the imperative of digital businesses as a means of youth employment. A digital entrepreneur from Jigawa State, Abubakar Muhammad Hassan, who is also the CEO and founder of Adishel Limited, presented a paper titled How Digital Technology Solutions Will Help You Grow Your Business. The program, which took place at Arewa House, Kaduna, has participants from the 7 northwestern states. Abba Misani, Time-Based TV Africa.